Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Audi Q3 with its key. First, locate your key fob. Press the unlock button on the fob to open all doors. If the remote isn't responding, ensure you are within range of the vehicle. Sometimes, a simple battery check can resolve issues with remote functionality, allowing for quick access to your car. If your remote key fob isn't working, don't worry. You can still manually unlock your Audi Q3. First, slide the small release button on the side of your key fob to reveal the hidden physical key. Carefully insert this key into the keyhole, usually found on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise to unlock the door and gain entry, ensuring a secure opening. In an emergency, after trying the manual key, always double-check all doors to ensure none are accidentally unlocked. If you're still having trouble gaining access, contacting roadside assistance is a good next step. They can provide professional help without causing any damage to your vehicle. Having a spare key, perhaps with a trusted family member, can also be a lifesaver in these situations. If your remote key fob is consistently unresponsive, it might be time to replace its battery. Gently open the key fob casing, often by prying it apart with a small flat tool or coin. Note the battery type, usually a small coin cell, and replace it with a fresh one. Close the fob securely and test its functions to ensure it's working correctly again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.